Catherine, Princess of Wales, had visited the Cancer Support Centre, and she had just been finished speaking to some of the people that had been making use of the centre. And then her next activity was to plant roses into the soil. So here we can see her putting on her gloves, and the gentleman says to her, "Don't worry, I haven't got gloves." I think Catherine probably asked him, "Do I need gloves, or I'd like to do it without gloves?" She says she likes to feel the earth or the soil. So if you listen closely, you might be able to hear that. Let me play it for you. This is the part where Catherine, Princess of Wales, shows how down to earth she is by opting not to wear gloves. Me personally, I'll choose to wear gloves because I don't like to get soil and dirt stuck in my nails. So we saw the gentleman show her how to take the plastic pot away from the bottom of the plant and being able to, and how to well position it into the ground. You can see him helping her out with it. And then she uses the tool to smooth around the edges, and then she uses her bare hands to press down the soil and make sure it's very secure. She did really well. It looks as if she has been doing this before, possibly in her own garden, or either that or she picked it up very, very well. She's a quick learner. Well, she did say she likes to feel the earth, so she's probably done it before. And look how dirty her fingers got, and she wasn't even bothered at all. I also noticed that soon after this, it started to rain a little bit, drizzle a little bit, and her hair started getting wet, and that didn't bother her at all as well. And she picks herself up, and then she goes to shake somebody's hand, and before she did, she said, "My hands are a bit dirty." Let me play that bit for you. Might be able to hear it.
Do you want to come and finish this one?
Hello.
Hello.
Very nice to meet you. My husband. Very nice to meet you too. Very nice to meet you. My husband. Very nice to meet you too.
Please subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss the next upload. Please check out our community tab and playlist section for more. Thanks for your support on the channel, and I shall see you on the next one, guys. Thanks. Bye.